Hey guys, Danny from the Hunting Cabin here. I'm gonna take you guys on a hunt with me and my wife. Her harvesting her first turkey. What a treat this was. It was a great morning. Heard a lot of birds. It's gonna be a quick hunt. I didn't get a lot of pre-roll footage, so all right, I'll let you guys see it. Hope you enjoy. Oh man, good job, baby.
I didn't shoot the decoy, did I?
Oh, who cares?
Oh, poor thing.
What, the decoy?
Yeah.
I don't care about the decoy. Let's go check him out.
Fuck. He's still alive.
No, he's just flopping. He's dead. That's what turkeys do, kind of like chickens.
Who's it? I don't know.
He's fine. Let's go check him out.
He's awfully floppy.
Good job, baby. Your first turkey. That was so pretty. Man, was he like...
He just walked right up there. Like, he was moving so fast.
I know, I couldn't hardly keep up with the camera.
I was worried he was going to get past that bus stop and stall.
I did too.
Because I thought, because with that other turkey being over there, that he was going to...
Well, there was 2 of them, and I don't know where the second one went.
I'll be pissed if he's still over there. I
Well,
just spooked him.
it's okay. Honey, we got a turkey. I'm super happy.
We got like 3 hours of shooting time left.
Boy, that was so pretty. Still gonna be one little. Man, look at them spurs.
A nice spurs.
Oh yeah, look at his beard. That's a really nice turkey for your first one.
Yeah.
There's one right here. Do you want to hop back in the blind and I'll shoot one? Alright, let's do it. Looking for another one?
I thought I heard something.
Oh! He knocked over my decoys. He knocked over my decoys. No, you missed my decoy.
Snap the stem right off that one.
No, that was like that this morning. I went to stick it in the ground and went, oh, okay. Oh my God.
Didn't hit you either, Bob.
Hold this.
Oh, sure. Oh my God.
I bet you that's
Spurs are as big as my thumb.
I know, isn't that crazy? Look at his beard. He got a long beard there. Stringy long beard. How much do you think that bird weighs?
At least 30 pounds.
Oh my God.
Pretty. You feel a little green on his feathers.
It's beautiful. You got your phone? I'll take you some pictures.
Yeah, it's in my pocket. Look at his wings, though. Oh, the pretty color.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's got some green in there.
Yeah, a little green tint to his feathers.